Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get free diamonds in Mobile Legends using legitimate methods. First, keep an eye for official Mobile Legends events. MOONTON occasionally gives away free diamonds, diamond coupons, or other rewards through in-game events and special promotions. Next, join official giveaways hosted by Mobile Legends or trusted creators. Make sure the giveaway is from an official source before participating. You can also use Google Play points or Apple gift cards earned from rewards program to help pay for diamonds without spending your own money. Another option is to earn rewards through trusted apps or survey platforms that pay you with gift cards, which you can then use to purchase diamonds. Avoid websites or apps that promise unlimited free diamonds or ask for your account password. These are scams and can put your account at risk. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.